Okay, so it's not yet 1 minute, but I think the glue is already hardened. Hi, back again in my channel. So this time I back again with one of my DX Sentai collections, which is the DX Magiking, which already made the video a couple days ago. And if you already follow or watch my video, that you know that actually for this Magiking there is one conditions where the sword is broken, and I just found it when I opened the box. So in this video I want to try to fix this sword area, because I successfully found the broken parts. So that's why today I plan to fix this video, and let's try to fix. Okay, I already have with me the broken sword. So if you can see, when I opened this Magiking from the box, I found that this area is actually broken. And then today I try to do the fixations using some kind of super glue. And this one is oh my god, I think I wrongly buy this one. I should buy not the liquid one, but I should buy the gel one. So I think this one is wrong. But anyhow, I can try to do this. But I think this glue has why reason I bought this previously, because it has the control, so it's easier to control, not to drip too fast. But anyhow, let's take a look whether I can successfully fix this one or not. So first of all, I'm gonna separate this sword area, because for the Magiking several sections of the sword is there. So I'm gonna take this out first, and I'm gonna separate this one. It's not really a matter, but basically my conditions is I found that in the box that this broken joint, and actually I has the broken part, and I found this metal joint and also the broken part. So first of all, I'm gonna try to take off this metal joint. Hopefully I can successfully take this off, but it looks like difficult, maybe because I do it from the wrong side, maybe, but I don't think it has left and right, and it's easier to take this way. So I'm gonna take this off first. It's kind of hard actually to take this off. So let me try to push, then to the other side. It's also not easy. So is it better? It's harder than what I thought actually. So let me check how to take this out, and I'm gonna come back with the video. Okay, somehow I can take this out using the edge of the table. So I just push to the edge like this, and looks like this area has some kind of pattern that we cannot do it from the other side. So I think this what makes it more difficult. So I'm gonna take this off first, and next is I'm gonna try to glue this. So I'm gonna open the glue. I can open the glue. Okay. Okay, somehow it's hard to take this out, but let's see. Okay, I will take the glue out, and next is I'm going to make this glue first. Let me see. Okay. Okay, we cannot do it like that, so maybe I directly fasten this, and the glue, I think it should be out. Okay, so let me try a bit on the paper before we apply. Okay, so this glue is not that bad, so it has the control. As you can see, it's not just like dripping crazily. So what I want to do at first, I think we need to so this one is going to be applied to this side like this. Okay, and I think one of the way, which one is easier, whether I should glue this first. Okay, let me check. Okay, so this is the part. Okay, I'm gonna glue this area first, and later on once it's combined together, I'm gonna combine this to here. Okay, so maybe how I'm gonna do this is I'm gonna hold like this, and I'm gonna apply the glue. Okay, with the control it's much easier, as you can see. Okay, okay, so I can apply like this, and I'm gonna hold moment for this before I'm gonna glue to the main part of the sword. Okay, so searing after this harden for a couple minutes. Okay, so it's not yet 1 minute, but I think the glue is already hardened, and I'm gonna try to glue this to the main part of the sword. So I'm gonna put the glue over here. So I think this glue is pretty effective because it doesn't rip, and it has the control. I really like this, but hopefully I never need to use this anymore. So I don't want to fix any toys in the future. So hopefully everything is okay. So I already glued this together, and looks like it's nice. So let's wait for a couple minutes and let's see the result. Okay, after a couple minutes, I think it's less than 5 minutes, but I just feel that this area is already hardened enough. So as you can see, it's stiff already. it doesn't move. Even for the previous power glue that I use usually, it's still kind of move, and it doesn't hold. So I think this one is pretty good. So I just try to attach the sword right now. Okay, so I'm gonna put this inside and let me try to put this in. But before that, I just want to make sure that the position is correct. So it's going to attach like this. Okay, looks like I correct. It's already in the good positions. And I'm gonna put this bolt inside. Okay, it's kind of hard, but let me try. Okay, basically after try to put it back, not using plier, but using some kind of light hammer, I successfully hammer in this bolt back to the positions. And I think this one is quite nicely done. So if you can see, it's like nicely done, and it doesn't break anymore. So maybe later on I'm gonna try to fix my Goliath fit, which is also broken, using this kind of glue. So please stay tuned if you want to watch that video. I hope I can make it in the near future. So see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. I'm sure that I'll punch you in that boy that probably 7. See you.